Over 27 years of experience in electronics manufacturing. Leading supplier to major air conditioner brands in India. 3 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. Strong in-house R&D and design capabilities. Expertise in value engineering and product localization. We are Lloyd Electronics.
Hi, I am Abhishek Dwivedi. I am working in Lloyd Electronics as a plant head since last 7 years. Basically, Lloyd Electronics is an electronic manufacturing company. We are doing EMS work for JCH and Johnson's Control India, Hitachi, Bluestar and many other companies. We are basically in earphone industries. So for this industries, for doing these kind of works, we were looking for one good ERP system. So we went for DataNote. I believe we have been using it since last 3-4 years. In 2018 we procured it. So we did some customization as per our requirement. So the team and the SB, basically we got some reference from one of our friend for the DataNote. So we went for us. So we met Mr. Mayur and Deepak and company. So the association will start from 2018 and that is going on very well right now. So we did some customization as per our requirement. Like as an electronic company, we have line like SMT, manual insertion, then touch-up testing and packing. So some specifically part like manual insertion and SMT, we got this ERP customized, and now I could say that we are pretty satisfied with the DataNote in terms of service, in terms of the GUI, the graphics, and the easiness of handling. If we talk about DataNote, so what the modules we are using right now, start from CRM, where we got the POs from the customer and we upload them. So based on the requirement, the procurement department is using the procurement module. So this module is actually, we can say this is very beneficial for us, where we can see the POs released to the customer. We can see any time of we can fetch the report, then how many POs are pending from the customer or suppliers, and then quality module, and where we do the IQC of the material that is goes to the store module is also we did some customization. So in that case we can easily find out the current inventory available in the store, and after that we customized part we talk about. So we divided our production into 3-4 processes with the help of DataNote team. The SMT production, then MI production, then testing, and in every process we use the quality model. These were the integrated part of all the processes. So after testing, it goes to the FG, final packing and dispatch. These are the modules we are using. But overall, if we talk about customization, so all the parts are integrated. The quality is integrated with the processes, and the things are going very smooth right now. So if we see, we are totally satisfied with the support we are getting from DataNote. Right now in Lloyd, we have around 225 employees in Lloyd, and these persons, around 25 people are using ERP with their username and ID. The good thing that each and every person has a unique ID, and specific assignment are allowed to him. Means authority or the approval, the task approval, we can say, that has been given to the specific ID. So each and every employee doing work on their particular module, and they are doing good. And if we say overall approval in terms of GUI and the approval given process in the system, that is very unique and very simple. So even I could give the access to as I have the master ID and password, then I could give the authority for some particular tasks to the employees, so they can perform as per them. So we will highly recommend in that case, if someone want to associate with DataNote, definitely I would appreciate it.